The POCO F8 Pro are to be rebadged versions of the Redmi K90. The POCO F8 Pro will be offered in white, black, aqua blue, and light purple color. The POCO F8 Pro sports the same TCL M10 screen as the Xiaomi 17 series. It's a 6.59-inch 2K LTPO display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 3500 nits of peak brightness. The flat panel also has 2560Hz PWM dimming and HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support, and a 3D ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. Xiaomi equips the POCO F8 Pro with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with Adreno 830 GPU, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.1 storage. The POCO F8 Pro camera setup packs a 50MP Lighthunter 800 main camera, an 8MP ultrawide, and a 50MP 2.5x telephoto periscope lens on the rear. A 20MP camera for selfies. The POCO F8 Pro will pack a 6210 mAh battery with 100W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.